I don't think that she'll probably put up with it.
Yeah, they down.
As she should. None of us should.
Oh, how are ya?
I'm doing great.
Good.
I know how I can write that out.
Principal Busby. They're principal at whatever school name is that. Or no, what was that?
I'm not one. She works too hard.
I bet you based on colors, I have no idea. I have no idea who these guys are. It's potential, I guess. Travis lives over in Johnston.
Boom, chicka snap.
Boom, chicka snap.
Oops, he's over. You're too
Yeah.
soft.
He's a great principal. Good luck with that crap in Carter. She's got a little brother. Carter, if you could wear your motions anymore.
It's a Saturday. I shouldn't be doing that.
Rebound, rebound, rebound. Oh. They're doing great. Find your girl, find your girl, find a girl. Any of them. Guard somebody. Maybe that one there. Get in front of him, get in front of him. Get there, Carter, get that. Make it hard. Rebound! Rebound! Get in there, Carts! Carter! Defense!
We're just gonna confuse her all over the place.
That's why she's, yeah. Got her minute, it's all good. Ah!
Everybody get up there.
We did.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I waited to go talk to that 22 before they were done. I didn't want to get in the way.
What did you say to her?
She said that it wasn't your fault, that you hold your head high, you can only control you, and I'm proud of you giving your best effort on the court in spite of our teams not being respectful. So she went over to her mom afterwards and she was crying. She came back over and she said, thank you. You guys played a good game. I can't control anybody else, but I'll be damned I can control me. And I will, every single time. She didn't deserve that. None of them did. And they needed to know that.
I hate waiting for this thing to load.
No.
It takes,
Woo!
it takes like 10 seconds.
Hopefully that thing has a calculator.
It might. I don't think it does.
You might need it.
Can we do this method?
I don't. I'm watching the game though, babe. You're on your own. I don't even like math when I have to do it. You crazy people doing math for fun.
I never do math for fun. Doesn't this look like Cousin It's car?
A little bit. Oh, shoot. She knew it too.
Sure it is.
No, Mom, I can't.
Dang it, I fell over.
Ugh. Nah, busted.